What's up guys, Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel Tech2 Academy. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for checking out our product review videos, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified by YouTube whenever we make amazing videos just like this one. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing a product called Experto. So I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to get when you buy Experto. All right, so walk with me to the sales page of Experto. Amazing page indeed. So one thing I love about Experto is that we've tried all our possible best to give you a real life proofs. Okay, so you're going to learn over the shoulders of top affiliates and learn all of their secrets. All right, so that's what you should expect when you buy Experto. All right, and the best part of Experto is the niche research. I love that part because we actually did a detailed study, and we actually gave an actionable steps to how to narrow your niche and make a whole lot of sales as an affiliate marketer. The whole course is superb. All right, so this is the sales page, and this is the real life proof here of affiliate sales, commissions, and all of that. So let's quickly walk down to, so this is me here, and this is Kennis, my partner and brother. Okay, so these are our proofs. All right, and this is the recurring and all of that. So what to expect from Experto? Here it is. So high quality training manuals. Okay, so once you buy Experto, it's going to take you to the download page where you have to download the product. Okay, so I'm going to quickly open that right here because I've actually downloaded the Experto file, which is what you can see here. So I'm going to open it right here so you guys can see. Okay, let me zoom this. Okay, so this is what to expect from the FE. So the training guide here, which is the module 1. So here, under here, you are going to see topics like the general overview of affiliate marketing. So everything about affiliate marketing is well detailed. Then the niche research, well detailed, over detailed. All right. Then we also talked about finding profitable products, high and low ticket products, how to apply to become an affiliate. I'm going to show you something real quick before I continue this product review. Let me quickly go over to Warrior Plus right now. Okay, the reason why you need to also get Experto. Okay, so many affiliates actually asked for to promote Experto, and that they were actually doing it the right way. Okay, so that made me not to approve what's going on. That made me not to approve them as affiliates to Experto. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, so I go over. So as you can see, I got extra 3 affiliates. So let me quickly go over to affiliates. All right, just a moment. My network is kind of slow. So this is the reason why you also need to get Experto, because these affiliates are not doing it the right way. Okay, they are not doing it the right way, and it's going to be really difficult for them to grow in this industry because they haven't learned the secrets. So Experto is an insider secret to cashing out on affiliate commissions. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick what these guys are doing wrongly. Okay, so while this is loading up, I'm going to come back to it. Okay, that has already loaded up. We currently have 270 affiliates, and take a look at this. Okay, awesome. I just got someone here, so I'm going to explain this, though in my next video I'm going to explain this really well. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on it. I'm going to teach about this, okay, in my next video. So it's completely free. You don't have to pay for that. Okay, so all you just need to do is to check out this channel and for that. All right, so look at this guy here. He said, okay, if you're one of these guys and you're watching this video, I'm sorry, but I actually need to point this out so you don't make the mistake next time. Okay, but for the sake of exposing you guys now, I'm still going to approve this. And yes, I'm going to approve you. I'm going to give you an equal chance to promote Experto as well. All right, so here it is. I would like to become an affiliate because I believe through my marketing technique I can generate sales and profit for this product. It doesn't really make sense. I really don't know you, and when I check your profile here, there is no information for me to lay my hands on and approve you. And as you can see, this guy has score 15, okay, which means he has actually made a sale on Warrior Plus. Okay, so this is a strong information for me to use and approve him, even though the sale is just one, but it's far better than someone who doesn't have any sale. It's just a new affiliate, and the person didn't actually give me a detailed stuff on how he's going to promote Experto. Okay, so this person actually wrote a whole lot of stuff, okay, that he has a 30k email list and all of that, but he has actually made just one sale in Warrior Plus. So I don't know how true that is. Okay, so if you check this guy's profile here, so as you can see, since December 2022, so he's a complete newbie, and he didn't even care to link up his social media platforms and all of that. So I'm going to teach you that in my next video, so expect that. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do this, but it's also embedded in Experto training. It's embedded here, so it's one of the stuffs that you are going to get when you buy Experto. Okay, and we also have actionable checklist. All right, still under here we have where is it again? Okay, so this is it. So still under here we have niche generation checklist. We also have niche selection checklist. All of them are included here. So as you can see, niche generation checklist here, as you can see, niche research checklist here, and as you can see, the market intel. All right, so all of them are embedded right here. Okay, so in the module 2 we talked about setting up your website. So doing it the right way is a very pretty simple steps that you need to take. Then in module 3 you will be taught on integration, where you have to do your autoresponder. All of that are embedded in that training module, and your pixel training are also embedded there. Then in module 4 we talked about traffic generation. So all the traffic generation tools that you need are also embedded there, both the free and the paid traffic sources. We did a good job in that module. All right, so and then finally in the module 5 is the conclusion, recommendation, and the next step. And one thing I love about Experto is that we always give the next steps, like actionable steps. Okay, so this is what to expect in the training guide. Then we also have the keyword research. We did mention that here. Okay, done for you promotional materials, I'm going to show you real quick. Then quality articles, I'm going to show you real quick. Then done for you keyword research. Can you see that? So every single thing that Experto promised you is right here. So affiliate marketing keywords. Okay, so that's the done for you keyword research. And we also have the resource report. Okay, so we have the mind map, we have the articles. We did mention articles right here. So as you can see, high quality articles, we did mention that right here, so it's right embedded here. And we did mention quality sales materials, like the thank you page and all that. They are all embedded here, so you're getting all of that. High quality e-covers is all right here. Okay, so email swipes is right here. Okay, then the Lego pages, we have also done well to include all of this. And then the FE, the banners, we've included it right here. So these are all the stuffs that you are going to get from Experto. And the good thing about Experto is that you can slap your name on this product. You can own this product as your own. You can sell it, you can edit it. Once you have the PLR rights, you can do all of this and sell this product as your very own, keeping all of the profits to yourself. Okay, so go ahead and purchase Experto. So it's going to be launching in the next 6 hours. So the bonuses that you are going to get is the PLR rebranding master. So it's also embedded right there. So once you download Experto, you are going to see all of this embedded. Okay, they done for you funnels, which I've shown you, then the world-class support. Okay, so every single thing that you need to become a super affiliate is well embedded in this course. Okay, and the best part is when you purchase the OTO1 of Experto, which is the video training. That's the over-the-shoulder videos. That's where you're going to see a clear picture of every single thing that you need to know and how to do them as an expert. All right, so go ahead to purchase Experto with the link under the description of this video, and you won't regret it. And if you have any issue, if you have any stuff that you are finding difficult to pass through or to overcome, then you can as well reach out to the support link here. Okay, techzoacademy.com/support, and we'll do well to put you through. All right, we'll do well to support you in any way possible. Okay, so that's the support link here. You can open a support ticket and lay out your issues, and we are going to sort it out just immediately. Okay, so and another good thing about Experto is that you are also entitled to join the free webinars twice in a month, webinars where we actually teach all of our students the practical steps to take, and to also check on you to make sure that every single thing that we taught you, that you are actually implementing it. The thing about Experto is that you have to be an action taker. All right, you have to be an action taker, and we are always 24/7 available to make sure that you get the same results, just as you can see on the screen right here. All right, so as you can see right here, these results can be yours if you put in the actions that we've actually taught in these modules. All right, if you put in the necessary actions, I bet you are going to see a better result more than this. All right, that's our prayers and that's our wish for you. So go ahead to purchase Experto, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have any question, comments, whatever it is, just comment in under this video, and I'll do it to answer you. Okay, so that's it. But majorly you can send a support ticket to Experto, Experto team. That's techzoacademy.com/support. You can open a ticket there if you have issue, wherever it is, if you have issue, and our support team is going to guide you on it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for checking out my product review, and I'm going to see you on the inside. Bye for now.